Hi everybody, hope you guys are all having a great day. My name is April and I'm going to show you guys how to create or craft your own spider webs. So we are going to provide you guys with your full supplies. The only thing that you won't be given is technically your paint. You can use any kind of paint you want to paint your sticks. You will get 3 plain popsicle sticks to use that you can paint whatever color you like. The rest of the materials that we will provide to you will be your yarn, your little mini spider. The glue is something else that I almost forgot that you guys will need to have for yourself as well. You can use any kind of glue, whether you want hot glue or just regular school glue, which is what I used for this project, and it worked very well. And it holds really good for this kind of project anyways. And just your pair of scissors. You can also, if you don't have paint, you can use markers if you choose. That'll work just as well. So to kind of get you guys started, I'm going to go through the steps here and just kind of show you how you would put these together for yourself. So your first step that you'll do, you're going to take your 3 sticks that you've painted. I decided to paint mine orange, just to kind of go with the whole Halloween holiday, I guess. So you're going to take 2 of your sticks and make them like an X like this, and you will glue those 2 together. Once those 2 are glued and it's dry, you will take your 3rd stick, glue it to the back side, so once it's glued it'll kind of look like this. Your 3 sticks together, making almost like a star pattern in a way if you want. Once that is complete and dry, you will then move on to your next one. So I'm going to use this one that's already glued and dried. This one's actually purple. And I'm going to use a black string for this to cover in the spider web, just as I think the black would look better with the purple anyways. So how you're going to start it is you're going to loop your yarn around one side and loop it through. And then you're just going to kind of take it, continue to take it in like a star pattern and loop it around your middle section until you have each side kind of covered, just like this. Once that is complete, you're then going to start to wrap your yarn around the sticks of your spider web. So as you wrap, you're going to go under and over, and then under and over, all the way around your sticks. Doesn't matter how many little strings you want to do as you go around. You can do as many as you like. Once you do your first go around, you're going to want to come up for the second row to make your next line and go over, under and 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 over. So you'll keep doing this all the way around your spider web here until you get it to, I guess, the satisfaction that you like, or however many strands that you want your spider web to be. Once you get to a certain point, obviously you're not going to be able to go up any further, and you will want to tie your string off. Now it doesn't matter how long your string is, you can cut any of the excess string off at the end, but you're going to want to have some string kind of left over. So when you get to a certain point, you're going to want to tie this off. So if you wrap it around, let's see if I can do this without making a disaster here. Loop it around and just kind of tie it in like a little old school knot. And mine just slid off. There we go. And you'll just pull your string through until you kind of have it like knotted there. And then you can cut it off to whatever your desired length one is that you'd like, and you have your spider web that you can hang. You can then, once that's complete, you have your little mini spider. It's really, really tiny, super little. But you'll take your spider and you can glue it wherever you like on your little spider web here. Once it's glued and it's all done and it's complete, you should have a finished product just like this. My spider I put in the center just because I thought he'd look cooler in the center. But then you can hang these wherever you like. You can hang them outside, in your windows, whatever you choose. Hope you guys enjoy this project. Remember to take pictures, post it on the social media to our Facebook, Instagram, whichever you choose. We would love to see what your finished products of your spider webs are. Bye!